Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT P80 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be a power saving toggle. Now, if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. And for me, it is located on the last page or right over here, named battery saver. Simply tap on it and it then gives you a quick message: battery saver turns on dark theme, restrict background activity, and delays notifications. So we're going to select turn on. And also the outline of the battery turns red, just to signify that it is right now running. Now, once you're done with it, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it once more, and there we go. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.